Second one, a hexagonal plane of 30 mm side is parallel to and 20 mm in front of VP. It is parallel to VP and 20 mm in front of VP. Its one end is perpendicular to HP, and a corner is 15 mm above HP. Draw the projections. So first you have to understand the problem. So it is parallel to VP and 20 mm in front of the VP, and one corner, one end perpendicular to one end of the, please try to understand, one end means one side of the hexagonal plane, it is perpendicular to VP, perpendicular to HP, and a corner is 15 mm above HP. Please try to understand above HP. First you draw the as usual XY line, XY reference line, XY reference line. Okay. First condition, it's 20 mm side, 30 mm side is parallel and 20 mm in front of the VP, and one end is perpendicular to HP, and one corner is 15 mm above the HP. So therefore you draw here a vertical line perpendicular to XY. Let us say that is the 15 mm, you will like show that one, is the 15 mm above HP, the one corner. Okay, here how to construct the hexagonal plane. Its side 30, 15 mm above HP, 20 mm in front of the VP, it is parallel to VP, and one side of the hexagon is perpendicular to HP. So in that case, how to develop so obviously the hexagon is parallel to VP, so that first you have to develop the front tube. So therefore this is the vertical plane, front view. This is the horizontal plane, top view. First you have to develop the front view. You see here, you know that this is the hexagon. This 6 sides hexagon means this is the 120 degrees. This is the 120 degrees. You understand and remember that. This is the 120 degrees, all sides, all interior angles 120 degrees. This is the 120 degrees. You understand that? Okay. Here you set up one edge, one side of the pentagon is perpendicular to HP, So that is the case. How to draw the front view of the hexagon. So first you set up here. You draw a vertical line here, not vertical line here. Here this is the 180 degrees. So that you deduct 120 degrees, you get 60 degrees. So this 60 degrees you make it 30 degrees sectional angle. This is the 30 degrees. So that you draw a line. Like this. This is the 30 degrees. Please understand. At the same time, here also you draw a line with 30 degrees from this side. You draw a line 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Okay. Once you draw 30 degrees, the side equal to 30. This is also 30 degrees. So you can get this is the interior angle 120 degrees. Like this only you have to construct. Then only we can get the one side of the pentagon perpendicular to HP. Okay. Here you set up 120 degrees. You can get like this. you can get like this. I can reduce this size, big one. Okay, 30 degrees. Okay, this let us say that this is the A dash. A dash has a center, 30 mm as a radius. You cut it. You cut it. In the same way, A dash has center. This side is also 30 mm as a radius. You cut it. Obviously, they are in the same line. They are coming in the same line. Don't worry. Here you set up 120 degrees here. 120 degrees here. You can get the line like this. Like this, you can get the here also set up 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Here also 120 degrees. You draw a line, you will get like this. Like this. Okay. Yes. You get line like this. Like this. Okay. Again, you name it. This is the B dash. B dash as a center, 30 as a radius. You cut it. You cut it. All sides are regular hexagon, so all sides are same. At the same time, here also A, B, C dash. This is the C, D, E, F. This is the F dash. F dash. Okay. Here also F dash has a center, 30 mm as a radius. You cut it. They will coming in the same line. Please try to understand. This is the 30. 30. Okay, 30. Once it is a 15 mm above HP. Once it is a cut it from B dash to C dash, F dash to A, B, C, D, E, E dash, F dash. Again 30 mm as a radius, or otherwise you simply you draw a line, light line. In different ways we can develop. Please try to understand. In different ways we can develop. Perpendicular this line extended, then E dash as a center 30 mm as a radius. You cut it here. This line passing to this one, passing to A dash. Again 30 mm as a radius, C dash as a center. You cut it here. Cut it here. Then you join this line. Then you join this line. So this is a D dash. This point is a D dash. D dash. Now you get a hexagon parallel to VP, 15 mm above HP. One edge is perpendicular to HP. So if you draw in this orientation, then only that conditions are satisfied. So now we got a front view. Front view. Okay. Then we can next we develop top view. Top view coming to that. What is this? 20 mm in front of the VP. 20 mm in front of the VP, so that this line is extended perpendicular to XY line 20 mm. So 20 mm. Okay, this is the 20 mm up to this. Here you draw a horizontal line parallel to XY. Horizontal line parallel to XY. Once you draw that this line parallel to XY, you simply draw the projectors. B dash, C dash, they are passing through the same line. You draw a projector. Okay. At the same time, A dash, D dash, they are also passing through the same line. This is also extended already here. Here, F dash, E dash, they are also passing through the same line. You draw a projector. Once you got this one, this is the top view. So you can remove this one. This is the top view. This names first. This is the visible E dash E, comma F. You put it in bracket if you want. Here D, top view. D is visible. A is put it bracket. Here C is visible, top view. C comma B, put it in bracket. Okay. This is the top view, this is the front view. Like this you have to construct the front view and top view of this given problem. Okay, these are all the light lines. Please try to understand. These are all the light lines. Light lines. These are all the projectors are very light lines. Okay, so like this always you see to construct in a simple way everywhere you need not to set up the degrees. So from here once this is the axis line extended here. From here E dash as a center, 30 mm as 0. Obviously you can get the 120 degrees here. Obviously you can get the 120 degrees here. If you measure, that should be 120. This should be 120. You see, follow the simple way construction. Don't make it complicated yourself. Don't make it. Again, I am explaining here. This is the point. This is the 15 mm above HP. You show here. This is a. You show here. This is a 25 mm. This is the 25 mm. 25 mm, and this side is. This side is show it 30. Draw it line. This is 30. Okay. So like this we can construct. Again I am explaining in simple way. You set up because one side of the pentagon hexagon it should be perpendicular to HP. So therefore you make it hexagon interior angle 120. So there is 180. We know that. You deduct 180 from 120, you get 60, you make it 50, 60 by 2, so that is the 30. You draw a line, here also you set up 30, you draw a line, here dash as a center, 30 side is a radius, you cut it here also you cut it here, you can get automatically they are in the same line. Here you set up 120 degrees, or otherwise you can automatically you draw a perpendicular to XY, automatically you can get 120 degrees in this position. 120 degrees, you draw a line, you cut it 30, here also you set up 120, you draw a line, you cut it 30, obviously they are also in the same line, should be same line. Here you come to this point as center 30 mm, you need not to set up 120 degrees, automatically it will be 120. Center 30 mm, you cut it here, you draw a central axis line extended here, you cut it this axis, again C dash as a center, 30 mm radius, you cut it this one, you get this point. Once you get this point, you join this one, you join this one, you can get the front view. Your top view, coming to the top view, the top view is the in front of the 20 mm in front of the VP. So therefore this line is I simply extended here 20, I set up 20, I draw a horizontal line parallel to XY line here, sorry 25 mm. 20 mm or 20, sorry 20 mm horizontal line parallel to XY line, and you draw a projectors B dash C dash, they are passing to the same projector, so that I draw a line and it is intersect this line, this is the line, and again A dash D dash passing to the same projector, same line axis, so you draw a projector. This is 20, already we have drawn this length 20, so this is the point. Again F dash E dash, they are passing the same line, so you draw a projector, you join thick line. This is the top view, this is the top view, this is the front view. Okay, this is the 20, the points, this is the when you are seeing in top view, E is visible, F is not visible, so E, F, put it in bracket. When see in this direction, top view, D is visible, A is not visible, so D is visible, A, put it bracket. C is visible, B is not visible, so C and dash B input it. So this is the way you have to develop this front view and top view of this problem.